Warning: secrets to stay full by eating less. Stop feeling hunger. Welcome to today's video, where we'll uncover life-changing secrets to help you stay full even while eating less. If you've ever found yourself staring longingly at the fridge just moments after a meal or struggling to get through a diet without feeling hungry all the time, this video is for you. You don't need to starve yourself or live off tiny portions to reach your goals. Instead, I'll show you how simple tweaks to the way you eat, the foods you choose, and how you think about hunger can stop those nagging cravings and put you in control of your appetite. Let's dive right in. First, let's understand why hunger strikes, even when we think we've eaten enough. This is crucial because knowing the root cause of hunger is the first step towards solving it. Hunger isn't just about an empty stomach. It's driven by multiple factors. Hormones play a major role. For instance, ghrelin, also known as the hunger hormone, signals your brain when it's time to eat. Meanwhile, leptin, the satiety hormone, tells your brain that you're full. Psychological habits also influence hunger. How often have you grabbed a snack simply because you were bored, stressed, or craving comfort? Yep, that's psychological hunger at work. Dietary mistakes are common culprits too. Skipping meals or living off low-calorie crash diets can make your body crave the energy it's missing, leading to increased hunger. Understanding these factors is key to making smarter choices. Most people try to fight hunger the wrong way, by eating less without a strategy. But here's the truth. The more informed you are, the easier it is to tweak your habits and overcome hunger naturally. Now let's move on to the good stuff, the secrets. If you want to feel satisfied while eating fewer calories, you need to focus on both what you eat and how you eat. Let's break this down. Secret hash 1. High-fiber foods. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to feeling full. Why? Because fiber adds bulk to your meals without adding a lot of calories. Foods rich in fiber, like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes, take longer to digest, so you stay satisfied for longer. Sneak in more fiber by adding chia seeds to your breakfast, snacking on raw veggies, or swapping white bread for whole grain options. Secret hash 2. Healthy fats for satiety. Contrary to outdated beliefs, fat isn't your enemy. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish, not only provide essential nutrients, but also slow your digestion. This means a meal with healthy fats will keep you full longer than a low-fat meal. A tip? Add a handful of almonds or a drizzle of olive oil to your meals. Secret hash 3. Protein power. Protein is the ultimate satiety powerhouse. Meals with high protein content reduce hunger hormones and keep you going for hours. Incorporate foods like eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, and yogurt into your diet. Pro tip: starting your day with a protein-filled breakfast like scrambled eggs can set you up for success. Secret hash 4. Low-calorie volume. Certain foods let you eat more while consuming fewer calories. These low-calorie density foods, like leafy greens, zucchini noodles, watermelons, and soups, are perfect for tricking your stomach into feeling full without overloading on calories. Bonus: they're often rich in water and nutrients too. Hydration matters. Speaking of water, staying hydrated is crucial in controlling hunger. Sometimes that growling stomach isn't a need for food, it's thirst in disguise. Drink a glass of water before every meal, and include hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelons throughout the day. Secret hash 5. Balanced meals that work together. Your meals should be a well-balanced trio of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Together, these macronutrients create the perfect combination for lasting satisfaction. For example, Pair grilled chicken with roasted veggies and a small portion of avocado for a filling yet low-calorie dinner. Secret hash 6. Smaller plates, big impact. Did you know the size of your plate can impact how much food you eat? Research shows that people eat less when they use smaller plates because it tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more. This simple swap makes portion control easier and more effective. Secret hash 7. Smart meal timing. Instead of eating 3 large meals a day, try having 5 smaller meals or snacks spaced over the day. This strategy can stabilize blood sugar and prevent hunger pangs. It's all about fueling your body when it needs it most, so you never feel starved and desperate for the next meal. Hunger isn't always physical. It's often about what's going on in your mind. To truly conquer hunger, practice mindful eating. What is mindful eating? It's the practice of being fully present while eating, savoring every bite, chewing slowly, and focusing on your food. Secret hash 8. Slow down. Slowing down while eating is one of the most effective ways to reduce hunger. Your brain takes about 20 minutes to register that you're full. So instead of scarfing down your meal in 5 minutes, chew each bite thoroughly and take your time. Secret hash 9. Remove distractions. When you eat in front of a TV or scroll through your phone, you're more likely to overeat. Turn off distractions during meals and enjoy the experience of eating. You'll feel more satisfied with smaller portions this way. Secret hash 10. Tune into hunger signals. Ask yourself, am I actually hungry or is this a craving? Most of us eat out of habit or for emotional comfort. Learn to recognize your true hunger signals, like a growling stomach, and you'll naturally stop overeating. Here are a few additional strategies to stay satiated and avoid midday cravings. Smart snacks. Prepare go-to snacks that support your goals. Opt for hard-boiled eggs, a handful of nuts or veggies with hummus instead of chips, which leave you hungry soon after. Incorporating exercise. Did you know light physical activity like walking can help reduce appetite? Use this to your advantage. Adequate sleep. Lack of sleep increases ghrelin levels and decreases leptin, leaving you hungrier. Aim for 7. 8 hours of sleep every night to take control of your appetite. Stress management. Cortisol, the stress hormone, increases cravings for sugary, high-calorie foods. Stress-reducing activities like yoga or journaling can help you resist stress-induced snacking. Watch out for sugar. Sugary foods cause blood sugar spikes followed by sharp crashes, leaving you hungrier than before. Cut back on refined sugar and opt for natural sweeteners like honey or fruits. Adopting new eating habits can be tricky, so let's address a few common challenges. Dealing with cravings. Cravings happen, and they usually aren't about real hunger. When you're tempted, drink a glass of water, chew gum, or take a short walk to distract yourself. Consistency over perfection. Don't aim for overnight perfection. Focus on making small, sustainable changes day by day. Remember, consistency is what counts. Mindset shift. Eating less isn't about depriving yourself. It's about so much more. Fueling your body well, enjoying your meals, and living healthier. Let's wrap it all up. Today, we've explored why hunger happens, even after eating, and uncovered some incredible science-backed secrets to stay full while eating less. From choosing the right foods and managing portions to practicing mindful eating, each tip is actionable and easy to start implementing today. Now it's your turn. Why not give these tips a try this week? Share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear how you're transforming your eating habits. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more lifestyle improvement tips. With these strategies, there's no reason to feel trapped by hunger ever again. Here's to eating smarter, feeling fuller, and living your best life. See you next time.